Hello friends, okay, let's begin today's video. And here we are going to take construction, a very important construction of standard 8th. Friend, in exercise 4.5, a very special type of exercise that one is, you need to go through it. You will understand that it is HOTS type of question, and in that exercise question number 4 may seem to be a little hard to you. So I have decided to take that as a doubt of student, and this is what we are going to study today. So there you see a parallelogram we need to construct. Its name will be OK, and the measures of two sides are 5.5 and 4.2. Now what is so important, why I consider this one as a special construction? Because it is clearly that angles are not given. So when angles are not given, you need to recall the properties of parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay friend, how will you define a parallelogram, or how you can say that the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram? For that, friend, we know the basic property. Any quadrilateral which can be called parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel as well as equal. So this is the main actually fact which we are going to use to draw this construction. So let's start, friend. Okay, as you know, before we draw the final or the fair construction, it is always very important to draw the rough sketch, just to get the idea that how it is going to be. So rough sketch is required. So there you see, friend, I am just drawing this parallelogram. I'll name it OK. OK is of 5.5 centimeter. KA is 4.2 centimeter. So as we know the property that opposite sides will be same and parallel, so this will be 4.2, this will also be 5.2. Now the main question is the angle. Angles are not given, but as we know the property of parallelogram, that adjacent angles are supplementary. And still we have not been given any measure of any angle. So don't worry at all. Now it has to be conceptualized by you only. Suppose you are taking this one as 60, then this has to be taken as 120. And once it is done, automatically, in fact, everything will come itself. Opposite angles will be same in a parallelogram, and this will be of 120. So this is what you can actually prepare. But remember, friend, one question is actually asked, is it unique one? Can this be a unique parallelogram? No. I have taken the pair of adjacent angles as 60 and 120. But my friend, you can take as many as possible. But those pairs will have to be supplementary. Then only opposite sides will be parallel and equal. So let me begin and let me show you how we can draw it. So first of all, we will be drawing this OK of 5.5 centimeter. So just use scale and a pencil, and okay, so this is OK of 5.5 centimeter. Use scale for it. Now as we have decided that we are going to take angle 60 and 120, so we can actually draw it this way. Take this compass and just fix pencil. Pencil must be sharpened well. Nib has to have that sharp point, and this is the pointer of the compass. Now take arbitrary radius of your choice, need not to fix it. Length is not required. You can set it of your own. That length will be called radius. So here at O, I am going to construct an angle of 60 degree. So I'll take arbitrary radius, keep this pointer at O, and just form a semicircle like this. Okay, with same radius. Again at K, I'll take center and create a semicircle like this. Now at O, I'm going to make an angle of 60. So I'll be keeping this radius same, and this is the 0-degree angle, and I'll just mark an arc like this. I'll just cut an arc on the semicircle. Same way, I can continue. Let me complete the work of this compass. So that way I'm going on. Again, I'm keeping this at 0-degree, marking an arc or cutting an arc on the other semicircle where I have taken K as a center of that semicircle. So this will be of 60, and friend, this from 60, if again arc is cut on that semicircle, that 60 and 60 will make 120. So now so far we are with what? So far we are able to actually draw a ray like this. You can name it OX ray, which is actually making an angle of 60-degree at O, and again just pass a ray from K and from these two intersecting arc, and that way you can do it. So this is an angle of 60 and this is of 120. 60 and 120 both make 180 degree. Okay, they are the sum of 180 degree. Now friend, very important to know, OK is of 5.5 centimeter. The another, that if OK is constructed of this length, this must be 4.2, 4.2, that is OY and KA. So remember friend, I am going to take the help of scale, and my length of this compass, which we call radius, has to be fixed well. So I'll set it like this. I'll open this compass a little bit more, and then I'll try to set it like this. Okay, so I have actually fixed the radius. I measured it with the help of scale. It has been widened, and now I'm going to place the pointer part at K and at O in tandemly. So this has been done so far. Now the rest part is that. We need to join both of them. Just join them and name it also O, K, A and Y. So this will be of 4.2, this will also be 4.2, and when you want to see something as a surprise, you can measure this, you will get it of 5.5 centimeter. So friend, this is how we will be able to construct the given parallelogram. But remember one thing, that here the measures of angles were not given. So you can take of your choice. Here I have taken 60 and 120 degree. But at the same time you can make other pair also, and you can make this parallelogram possible. So as I said in the beginning, that many pairs can be taken which can be supplementary, making an angle of 180 degree. So thus so many pairs are possible. So after reading the measures of sides, a unique parallelogram cannot be constructed, my friends. Do remember this. Many such parallelograms with these measures of sides are possible. So thank you very much. Repeat it, practice it, and you can actually give feedback to me. Thank you very much.